In order to turn your SD card into internal storage in Android, so first of all, let's open up our camera. Now let's open up our camera settings and let's locate storage location. So make sure that it's set on SD card, and I have it. The next thing is to open up our Google Chrome or any browser which you're using. Tap on the three dots right here, press settings. Now we have to scroll down and find our downloads. And here make sure to choose an SD card as well as your download location. Great, and as a last tab, let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down to our About Phone tab. Let's find our software information and let's find our build number. Now let's tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's enter our current PIN. Great, we've got our developer mode turned on. Now let's go back, scroll down and find our developer options. Now, here we have to either search, I'll use a quick search, or you can find it manually. We have to find our Force Allow Apps on External Storage. Here it is. Now let's activate this option. Simply tap on the switch and basically that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.